People think Suno is just a song generator. That's wrong. Today I'm going to show you how to actually produce a full track in Suno Studio, layering instruments, controlling the mix, adding solos, drops, and transitions, step by step, like a real producer. If you don't have access to Suno Studio yet, I've put the link in the description so you can follow along. And by the end of this video, you'll know how to produce a song in Suno, not just generate one. This is more of an intermediate workflow. So if you're brand new to Suno AI, I recommend watching my beginner's Suno guide first. So let's get into it. First of all, we need a bass song. I've got this idea for a song, kind of an upbeat hip-hop anthem, but I want it to transition into a high-energy rock vibe at the very end. So I got some lyrics for it using Perplexity, specifically asking for one verse to be suitable for rap. Okay, let's go over to the Suno dashboard. In the custom mode, I'll paste the lyrics right here into the lyrics box. Now for the style, this is important. I'm typing uplift hip-hop anthem rock style for the last chorus. In the advanced options, let's opt for male vocals, and I'm setting the weirdness to 15% because I want the structure to be stable, and I'm cranking the style influence up to 85% because I really want it to stick to that upbeat anthem vibe. Let's hit create. And here we go.
I fell for the talk, yeah, the sweet pretense, love in disguise, just a false suspense. You sold me dreams, gold-plated lies, but those silver tongues don't hypnotize. I built a castle out of every word, now it's crashing down, yeah, lesson learned, yeah. Fake smiles can't hide what's real, your love was a trick, now I got the deal. All these lies about love, they burn like fire. Hearts on strings, tangled up in desire. You can fool the world, but not my soul.
It sounds like a good, catchy melody, so let's get it into the studio. Click the three dots next to the song title. Go to Remix Our Edit, and then select Open in Studio. And here is our song, now on a waveform timeline. Now, our song certainly had that uplift hip-hop vibe we asked for. But what about the ending?
All these lies about love, they burn like fire. Hearts on strings, tangled up in desire. You can fool the world.
Yeah, it's not hitting hard enough. I needed a more energetic, rock-heavy finish there. Plus, I also need a guitar solo near the end of the bridge before the last chorus starts. For that, first we need to separate the instruments so we can edit freely. Click on the song on the timeline, a settings section appears on the right side. At the top, there are two tabs, Clip and Track. Under Clip Settings, click on the Extract Stems feature. And you will get two options, All Detected Stems or Vocals plus Instrument. I'm going to select the All Detected Stems option for separate stems on all instruments. And here we are. We got vocals, backing vocals, drums, bass, guitar, and so on, all as individual stems. I'm going to click on Insert All, and now we have everything in our timeline, giving us total control. Okay, it's time to get creative. I want a guitar solo right before the bridge, leading into that final rock chorus. Yes, you can just select the portion and let I guess a random melody, but this time I have a specific melody in my head, so I'm going to sing it. I'm opening a new vocal track. Now, when recording, it's super important to put headphones on because if you don't, your microphone will pick up the music playing from your speakers and it'll ruin the recording. I will select the relevant portion, hit record, and I'm just going to hum the guitar solo I hear in my head.
Yeah, I'm taking control. I'm taking control.
Okay, that should work. Now click on that vocal clip we just made. I'm dragging it all the way to the left-hand side of the screen to the custom table where it says drag here to remix. Drop it there. And here we don't want to change the lyrics. So I'm selecting keep current. Now, in the style box, we need to tell the AI what instrument this humming should become. I'm typing 93 BPM, heavy rock guitar lead. Powerful start. Why did I type 93 BPM? Because that is the tempo of my original project. If I don't type that, the AI might generate a solo at a different speed, and it won't line up with our drums. So I would recommend always including the BPM when adding layers. For advanced options, I'm setting weirdness to 15%. We don't want any random surprises. Style influence and audio influence in the 60s. A high audio influence means the AI will follow the melody I hummed very closely. Let's hit create. Okay, it's done generating. Let's listen. This first one sounds solid, but it's a full song, not a guitar solo like we asked for. Just like before, I'll extract the stems, and this time I'm only keeping the guitar stem, which I'll drop into our main timeline. I'll position it to align with the main track. Now, notice that while it gave me the solo I hummed, the AI had also improvised a bit afterwards. While I don't need this extra stuff, I'm keeping a little bit of it as it aids well into the transition. I'm positioning it right here at the transition.
Like fire, hearts on strings, tangled up in desire.
Okay, that is great. So, the guitar solo is now good, but the final chorus that comes after it still feels a bit weak. The weight isn't there and we need more power. To fix the weak chorus, we're going to generate some distorted power chords. Let's create a new track. I will select guitar as the instrument for the style. I'm typing distorted power chords. Highlight the relevant chorus timeline section and hit create. Okay, let's listen to what it made. It's okay at the start, but then it loses the rhythm. It sounds more like a punchy synth than a guitar. Here is a trick when you don't like the result. Look at the track on the left. See that green line on the clip? Click that. It opens up a list of other versions of the same stem that the AI generated. I'm listening through them, and version 10 seems to be the most fitting from the lot. So I'm dragging version 10 onto the main track and align it perfectly with the start of the chorus.
Hearts on strings, tangled up in desire. You can fool the world, but not my soul. I'm breaking free, I'm taking control.
Now, let's do some panning. If everything is in the middle, it sounds muddy. I'm taking the main guitar solo we made earlier, and I'm panning it slightly to the left. And then I'm panning this transition a bit more to the left. This makes room for vocals to punch through without the music overriding it. Okay, so we got our rock chorus and a good guitar solo transition leading to it. Now the instruments are rocking, but the vocals feel a bit lonely. I want some female harmonies in the background. I'm going back to my original main vocal track, the one from the very first generation.
I fell for the talk, yeah, the sweet pretense, loving this.
I'm selecting it and dragging it over to the drag here to remix box on the left again. Keep current lyrics. In the style box, I'm typing 93 BPM Harmonies. Again, keep that BPM in there. I want it to sound exactly like the original melody, just with a female tone. Here we are.
Every song you dying, every secret sins, driving these skies just before it wins. It's on the dreamers go, afraid of lies, when no still with songs and times. I break the castle.
Once again, it's not a female solo, so I'm extracting stems again. Now I'm choosing vocals plus instruments, because this time I only care about the vocal line. Once done, I'm dragging this new female vocal stem onto a new track. Now, I don't want her singing the whole song, so I'm going through and cutting the stem to keep her vocals here and there as suitable. We're not replacing the main vocals, it should be like salt, just a sprinkle to enhance the flavor. Here we are after the adjustments.
Lesson learned, yeah. Fake smiles can't hide what's real. Your love was a trick, now I got the deal. All these lies about love, they burn like fire. Hearts on strings, tangled up in desire. You can fool the world, but not my soul. I'm breaking free, yeah, taking control.
Now, let's focus on verse 1, the rap section. Right now, it sounds a bit dry. We need it to sound more crunchy, like a modern hip-hop track. First, I'm going to the main vocal track. I'm copying its rap section to a new track. Under the clip settings for this new vocal rap stem, look for transpose. I'm setting transpose to +4. This pitches the voice up. It gives it a crunchy, textured sound. I'm keeping this volume a bit low, just underneath the main vocal.
I'm taking contact up, flashy stories all shine, no proof. Every empty line became my truth. You dressed your heart in designer pain, but it's see-through glass in the pouring rain. Now I'm done playing make-believe. No more webs for me to weave. You said forever, but forever lied. Now I'm walking tall on the other side. Yeah, no villain here, just a plot.
Now, let's make it wide. Remember that female vocal track we just generated? It had a rap section too. I'm going to generate another vocal take using the remix tool exactly like we did before. So now I have 2 extra generated vocal tracks for the rap. I'm taking generated vocal 1 and panning it hard left. I'm taking generated vocal 2 and panning it hard right. So the arrangement is main vocal at the center, pitch +4, shifted vocal at the center, generated vocal 1 on left, generated vocal 2 on right. This creates a massive stereo image. Let's hear that together.
Texas colors on shine, no proof for the empty light that gave my truth. It's just your heart and designer brain. When I see through brass in the boring rain, now I'm done playing make believe. No more words for me to weave. You said forever, but forever lied. Now I'm walking tall on the other side.
Now we are almost there. The mix sounds full and well, so let's have some fun. To make the hype moments really hit, we can insert a drop. To do this, I will select the bar just before the drum roll here. I'm going to delete the drum and bass stems for just this one bar, leaving only the vocals there.
I'm taking contact up, flashy stories all shine, no proof. Every empty line became my truth. You dressed your heart in designer pain, but it's see-through glass in the pouring rain. Now I'm done playing make-believe. No more.
Now, there's a moment of total silence with just the vocals before the beat comes back in. Okay, let's zoom out and look at what we've built. We started with one simple track, and then we separated the stems. We created a custom guitar solo that I hummed into a mic. We enhanced the chorus with distorted power chords bolstering the finale. We inserted layered female harmonies. And we got a wide textured rap verse. And finally, we inserted a drop to disrupt music flow for fun. This is how you use Suno Studio to actually produce a song, not just generate one. I'm going to play the final result for you now. If this video helped you understand the workflow of Suno Studio better, hit that subscribe button for more Suno content, and let me know in the comments what you're working on. Let's listen to the final song. Thanks for watching.
I fell for the talk, yeah, the sweet pretense, love in disguise, just a false suspense. You sold me dreams, gold-plated lies, but no silver tongues don't hypnotize. I built a castle out of every word. Now it's crashing down, yeah, lesson learned, yeah. Fake smiles can't hide what's real. Your love was a trick, now I got the deal. All these lies about love, they burn like fire. Hearts on strings, tangled up in desire. You can fool the world, but not my soul. I'm breaking free, yeah, I'm taking control. Yeah, I'm taking contact up, flashy stories all shine, no proof. Every empty line became my truth. You Dressed your heart in designer pain, but it's see-through glass in the pouring rain. Now I'm done playing make-believe. No more webs for me to weave. You said forever, but forever lied. Now I'm walking tall on the other side. Yeah, no villain here, just a plot too slick. Cupid missed, wrong arrow, wrong trick. Rhymes and reasons, too many scars. But I wear those lines like battle bars. I'm not bitter, I'm just awake. Truth tastes better than the love you fake. No, every beat's my proof, my rise. No love left hiding behind the skies. Yeah, all these lies about love, they burn like fire. Hearts on strings, tangled up in desire. You can fool the world, but not my soul. I'm breaking free, yeah, I'm taking control. I'm taking control. They burn like fire. Hearts on strings, tangled up in desire.